And here I have Akedo Ultimate Arcade Warriors. When you open these characters and figures, you get a checklist as well, which you'll be able to find out who you collected and rules, battle giant rules. But this is Tonk and Alphawolf. These are some of the giants that you can get, the new giants. Anyway, this, once you get a hit on them, this armor will pop off, and you get another hit on them, and you'll do the split strike, which will knock them in half. Same with Alphawolf. Pop off that armor, hit him again in the chest, and then it'll fall apart just like that. So let's do a little battle right here with the giants. Flip them over, and got their controller, their battle controller, which you press down. Okay, ready battle. Ooh, knocked off his armor. Oh, and we did a split strike. Armor. And Alphawolf is defeated. So anyway, these are very cool. Akedo and Moose Toys makes these, and they are removable as well, the figures. So if you get more figures, then you can play on a different controller and swap them out when you play. So anyway, Akedo, these are the giants, the battle warrior giants. Very fun, highly recommend.